Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making interactive grass. So we can interact the grass if by just dragging this mouse pointer. Now let's make it. Okay, so here I have two costumes. One just the grass and one with the flowers. So first let's make them clone. So for that, before we make it clone, I'm just going to make a brown rectangle here, which is going to be the ground. So this is where the grass will clone. So now when the green flag is clicked, forever, not forever, just repeat 300 times, or you can put whatever value you want here. Let's repeat 300 times. So it should go to a random position, and if it's touching this color, it will clone there. Let's test this. So now it's cloning like this, but only this costume is coming. So for that, let's say switch costume to pick random 1 2 2, because I only have two costumes. If you have more than two costumes, you can put whatever value you want here. Okay, so now this looks okay, but it's taking some time to it's taking so much time for this to happen. So what we can do is let's just create a called grass, run without screen refresh, and click OK, and just take the entire thing and put it here. Let's take the grass and put it here. Now if we run, everything just happens like that. Okay, now let's make them wave, and also the original sprite is still here. So what we can do is we can show in the beginning and hide at the end. So now only these plants are here. Now let's make them wave. I think I will increase this so more plants will be there. Yeah, okay. So now let's make them wave. So what we'll be doing is so so when the green flag is clicked, or let's do it after this. Forever, we need to create a variable called wind that will control the wave effect, and I think we'll leave it for all sprites. And at the beginning we'll set wind to 0, and the forever loop will change wind by 1, and then let's create a new block called wave grass, run without screen, and let's also add an input to say the amount of wind, and click OK. And now inside this, let's take a block that is going to be uh, set uh, let's set whirl effect by wind, and let's say point in direction wind plus 90. So this will give the effect like the grass is waving. So now let's put this block here and set it to wind. Oh wait, I forgot. With this, we need to put it in when I start as a clone. Then only it will work. Okay, it's going too fast. So what we can do is over here, let's set it to the sign of wind like that. Okay, it's kind of a bit fast, so let's reduce the speed. To reduce the speed, I think 0.1 will work better. Or if you want to make it even more slower, let's say 0.03 could be good. Yeah, it's good. If you want to make it wave more, what you can do is just multiply this entire thing with something like 15 or whatever you want. I think 15 is better for me. Okay, and you can adjust these values to see which one is better for you. I think this is better for me, and I'll change this to 0.0. Yeah, so now let's make this interactive. So what we can do is here, let's say if, or an if, let's take an if else, and this should happen in the else condition, this part. And let's take one more, and I think I'll set this to 15 or something, whatever. And here, let's say if we are touching mouse pointer. So if we are touching the mouse pointer, you can see that the grass is shaking a bit, but not much. So what we can do is, let's say if distance towards mouse pointer is, let's say, less than 1, I think. Or I think greater than 1. Okay, then that happens. Or I think I'll make it 10 like this, then it might work. Yeah, it works, but not much. I think I'll increase this some more. Yeah, that's creating more effect. And I think I'll make this value a bit more higher. And that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.